Well guys, today I have for you some new very important details about the upcoming Lamborghini Aventador replacement, like the new bumper with the final design, the exhaust configuration, the new engine cover with the air vents on the side, and these things. It all began when they noticed me and immediately shut down the gates, so I knew something was going on. And indeed it was, as I quickly spotted the test mule getting out from a secondary gate. Needless to say, I jumped in my car and got this footage. So, first thing first, we can clearly see the car has just a light camouflage wrap, and we can spot the final design on the rear bumper. We already knew the exhaust was gonna be up here, but we can now confirm there will be 4 exhaust pipes behind these 2 hexagonal tips. Pretty cool. But now with the most important things. For the first time we can see the new engine cover that has a whole different shape, no see-through glass and 2 rows of air vents on the sides. Very interesting indeed. Moving a bit to the side we can also see the new panels here, that will leave a hole for the air to go through, as if they were some kind of flaps for aerodynamic purposes. I've never seen this detail before. And last but not least, there is a very important element that nobody got on camera before. Can you guess what could it be? Well, the third brake light, of course. Unfortunately, I didn't get it in the clip, but I took a couple of quick pictures with my phone, so you all can see the new design that weirdly follows the shape of the roof. Not bad, huh? Stay tuned for more.